And the gathering has begun, and concerns are down to one. Should we clean up or have fun for a while? There's a sweet, sweet stillness.
Happy Friday, friends! Oh my gosh, it is Christmas Eve. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful Christmas season so far. Obviously, if you watch Dress Reveal 1, then you know that this video was recorded on December 21st. So I know I'm uploading it on Christmas Eve, so just so you guys know, I'm being honest here, telling you guys truths, only truths here on this channel. I am so excited for the holiday season. I'm excited about the Little Red Dress project. I'm excited about revealing dress 2. Oh, guys, I'm so happy with the way this challenge has gone for the year. I have been blown away by all the amazing dresses I have seen so far by my co-host. Keira's dresses are beautiful. If you have not seen them, here they are. As well as Lori's dresses. And I will also share any of the other ambassadors' dresses if I get them before this is completely uploaded on the 24th. So I'll insert them here or throughout the video somewhere. Okay guys, as always, I want to thank our sponsors for taking up this challenge and having amazing prizes. So we will be randomly selecting winners for the 6 prizes. I forgot to mention, if you are in the UK, I would love to know, because I have a specific UK prize from So Essential. I will probably put a note out on Instagram for any of the participants that are in the UK to just DM me if they are. And let's just talk about dress 2. Dress 2 for me is the main dress. This is my big reveal. This is the dress that I posted out there a bunch of Burda Style dresses, and I asked my audience, hey guys, which dress is the Little Red Dress worthy? Which dress do you guys think should be made? And without a doubt, the hardest dress on the list that I posted was the one that was most voted for, and it is, let me just grab it here so you guys can see. It is Burda Style 102, the La Belladonna dress from the 2009 November magazine, and this is it. Obviously my dress looks a lot different because I use a different fabric, and you guys are going to notice that. Here it is. It's not going to have all that drape, but it is gorgeous. This dress here is made with satin and 2 layers of chiffon, so that's why it looks super flowy and beautiful and just gorgeous. Mine's, now that I'm looking at it, I feel like I'm some kind of Arabian princess or something. You guys will definitely know what I'm talking about, but let me just go through some of the details on this pattern so you guys are aware of it. You can still find this pattern on Burda Style's website. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can grab it if you're really interested in it. So this dress here, it's a wrap over, so it's a mock wrap. It has a mock wrap, and there I go again with like the sort of raglan sleeve. It has a really long cuff, and there are 24 buttons on this dress, 12 on each cuff, and I cannot wait to show you guys that. And it is a floor length dress. Mine isn't floor length just because it's heavy, okay? So the fabric of choice here is from Zuluf. The satin came from them as well as the lace. So let me just bring my trusty dress form in the picture. Okay, so do you see where I say it feels like I'm some kind of Arabian princess? It just has this feel to it. Not in frame very well. Here we go. So this is it. This dress is so heavy. It's beautiful, but it's so heavy. I really like it. I love it. I just really, really love this dress. It's so beautiful. The lace here is just amazing. Again, this is from Zaloof, not sponsored. I used my own cash to buy this thing, and it did cost a little bit. These are the buttons that I put on here. These are from a Mood Fabric. I wanted to have good, sturdy, beautiful buttons, and now that I'm looking at this, I don't know how I feel about the gold. I mean, it looks, I don't know. I think it would have been a lot better with the actual covered buttons as recommended by the pattern, but I wanted to go my own way, and sometimes you have to live and learn. But this is the sleeve here. It's a really beautiful sleeve. I think it's really nice. I love it. I'm going to take the camera down and show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, so there is a side zip on the left side, so there's a side zip instead of a back zip, which of course, guys, for me, I wish that there was a back zipper. I hate side zips on dresses. I find that they make it really difficult for you to get in, and then the lining portion is always a headache to me. I just don't like it. But this is the tie for it, and because of this fabric, I think it's really thick. I should have cut it down smaller instead of going this full 16-inch as they recommended. I really wasn't thinking. I probably will cut it down or just make a new one, but I kind of like it more like this because of the weight of this silk. Not really silk, but this satin. And I kind of like it to this side, but I don't know. It's a lot heavy. The fabric is heavy. The the tie is heavy. The tie is too big and it's really clunky, so I do not like that. And for the video, most likely I will put it to the side if using it at all. But it's beautiful. Like, the skirt portion of this is just amazing, and I love the sleeve. I think the contrast looks really good. I'll probably really want to figure out what I'm going to do with this for Christmas Day, because I'm going to wear this to go to church. I think what I'll probably do with this is most likely take it with a bow to the back like this. I think this will go really well instead of having a side tie. It just, I don't know. I just think that this is just a better look for it. And if all else fail, I'll probably just cut it down in size so it's less of a bulk, because making a bow with this sort of thick fabric isn't really ideal. It's hard to sit down, you can't drive, this thing is sticking in your back, and you're being really frustrated. Yeah, so this is the dress. Let me push it back so you guys can get a decent view of it in the corner here. So there it is, guys. Don't look at my floors, okay? There was a ton of sequins all over the floor, and I still haven't vacuumed it up properly. There was a lot more, but yeah, so there it is. That's the dress. Let me know your thoughts on it. Which one is your favorite? Also, should I have added the lace to the entire front, or is that contrast really working? Because I have mixed feelings currently. So there you have it, guys. I am going to stop here right now, and I'm going to take you guys to the 360. But before I do the 360, guys, this this thing is so heavy. Oh my gosh. This skirt feels like I am holding up the earth. Like, it is so heavy. I just don't know why, because I think it's because it's a full circle skirt. Look at this thing. It's like ridiculous. This is why this thing is heavy. This is just one side and it's so heavy, but it's just really gorgeous and beautiful. And I really love how it looks. I love the color. So I know it's not fully red, but it's named red on the website. I'm going to leave the name of the fabric, the silk, as well as the lace. And one of the reasons I didn't get a fully blown blood red fabric was looking for a lace overlay, guys. I wanted to find a really pretty one and nothing just boring, because all the lace on the sides were like those that you probably use for underwears, or they're just not fancy. I didn't want, like, what was I going to say? So like the wedding style fabrics are all white, or they're like blushes or grays or like bone color, but they're not red. And those are the ones that have all the intricate details on them. And I saw this was the closest to red that I liked regarding the pattern and the design. So I jumped on it, and it was not over $50 a yard, because I was like, I'm not paying that kind of money right now for 8 yards of fabric. Because I had, okay, let's talk fabric. This thing has like 7 yards of fabric for this base skirt, and then I do have a nice chunk left over because I didn't add any lace on top of here. But I also had to buy 6 yards of fabric on the lace. Do the calculations, because this was about $17 a yard. So yes, it's an amazing dress, and I think it's worth it. It looks beautiful, but some of those lace fabrics totally going to put you in bankruptcy if you have to buy them, and I just wasn't interested. So I'm like, no way, let's find something that is more affordable, beautiful, quality, but not killing the bank. And this one worked out well. It didn't kill the bank. You know, this is my last this is like my last big project of the year, and I always want to come out like amazing. So I didn't mind buying a good fabric. I already bought some fabric, if you remember from my previous video, and that kind of burned me. So I'm like, I don't want to. But when I saw this one, I knew that this was the color and the fabric that I had to have, and it would look great in this dress. So let me know your thoughts. Like I asked in the previous reveal, which one is your favorite? What details do you like in this dress? Tell me what you like. I want to know. Now, think about that while you are enjoying the 360 of this beautiful dress. I love the scenery. I hope you like it too. Downtown is always so beautiful, and everything always looks amazing at nighttime for the holidays, and I thought that this would be the perfect spot to shoot this video. So let me know, then come back, tell me what you think about this project, the previous one, which one is your favorite, and if you're partaking in the little red dress project for this year. Let's check out the 360.
It came upon the midnight clear, that glorious song of old, from angels bending near the earth to touch their harps of gold. Peace on the earth, goodwill to men, from heaven's all gracious King. The world in solemn stillness lay to hear the angels sing. hastening on by a prophet seen of old. When we
Okay, there you have it. What do you guys think? I would love to know. Is this one the supreme winner between the two dresses, or is number one the winner? Or are they just okay in their own right based on where I'm going and what I'm doing? Or is there a clear-cut winner? You like one or you like two? Guys, I'm so happy. We are winding down the year. I have a lot of plans for 2022. I cannot wait to share and announce the winners of this challenge. Big shout out to everyone that has supported the challenge and my Instagram account as well as my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it, guys. This is a lot of work, but it's also fun work, and I enjoy making these projects, wearing these projects, and just being creative and hopefully inspiring other creative people out there. And there are so many creatives on Instagram as well as YouTube, so do some hashtag searches, do some just do some searches on either platform and you will find a lot of wonderful people and you'll probably make some new friends. So thank you again for a wonderful, I feel like I'm chatting out the end of year video, but I have a few more videos to make still. But yeah, have a wonderful holiday season. Enjoy your Christmas tomorrow. Enjoy the food, because I'm telling you, I'm going to be eating and I love it. And if you were wondering where I'm going to wear something like this, I'm going to church with it for Christmas. Yeah, nobody else is going to look like we're in the same family from my house when we go to service, but that is what they have to deal with living with me. Thank you guys so much. I cannot wait to share more content on this channel. I will talk to you guys real soon. Bye bye.